Hi there, students. Buoyant. Buoyancy. Well, you even have a buoy. Okay, if something is buoyant, it floats on water. You have a buoy. The Americans would say buoy, which you tie your boat to, and the buoy then is tied to an anchor. But something that is buoyant floats on water. Okay, so buoyant, able to float. So wood is light and buoyant and able to float. Okay, it floats on the surface. But we use buoyant for lots of other things. We use buoyant to mean happy and confident. So he was in a very buoyant mood and was convinced that he was going to pass his exams. So you feel buoyant, you feel positive, you feel things are going to go right, and that's a good reason to feel buoyant. You could talk about a market being buoyant. Yeah, it's successful, it's making a profit. So if a market is buoyant, it's successful, it's going very well. So the oil market remains buoyant despite several different problems. I hear this phrase particularly commonly. The housing market is buoyant despite rises in interest rates. You could say that something is buoyant, is successful, has lots of activity. So is the economy buoyant at the moment? I think not. I think it's a bit dodgy. Yeah, a buoyant market. Sales remained buoyant despite possible problems next month. Yeah, and something that's increasing or staying at a high level. Consumer spending was buoyant. Buoyant sales, buoyant profits. They're very positive. They're floating, if you like. So if something is buoyant, it tends to stay afloat. It tends to float on the top of a liquid. Well, it could float in a gas as well. A hot air balloon is buoyant. It floats in gas. But then buoyant, cheerful, optimistic, happy. So I feel really buoyant about the future of an economy, a business, a market. Very positive, very successful, something that's burgeoning, it's thriving perhaps. So buoyant, cheerful, happy, sunny, blithe, lively, joyful, vivacious, jaunty and light-hearted and upbeat. Yeah, you feel very good, you feel very buoyant about things. Yeah, when the weather is good, it's much easier to feel buoyant, to feel happy, to be in a buoyant mood. And then a buoyant economy, a buoyant business. Business is booming, business is going really well, business is thriving. And I guess a boat could be very buoyant. What you want is a little buoyant boat that floats very high in the water. And so that's the idea of buoyant. Having a lot of buoyancy. Hot air is more buoyant than cool air. Cool air sinks and hot air floats up because it's buoyant. Cork is a naturally buoyant substance. To be in a buoyant, cheerful mood, or maintaining a high level, a buoyant economy, a buoyant market. If you're in a buoyant mood, you feel cheerful, you're lively. Yeah, he was in such a buoyant mood thinking about his future. Happy, bright, lively. There's a lot of trade in a buoyant market. There's a lot of economic activity. Analysts expect the share prices to remain buoyant next year. A buoyant object floats on a liquid. Yeah? So something that's light, something that floats. So, buoyant, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think use absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from, well, a buoy. A buoy is this coloured thing that floats. This comes from Old French, buoy, a chain or a fetter, which probably comes from Latin, boia, a band. So, well, a band, a collar, something like that, a fetter. Beos in ancient Greek, made of the skin of a cow. So, a buoy, buoyant. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Buoyant.